it's Monday evening, so I figured I should update you on how my day went. So today was actually very productive and relaxing at the same time. I went to the beach, which was just so soothing. The weather has not been the best, and these last couple days have been absolutely beautiful. It's been hot though, if I'm being completely honest. It's been almost like unbearably hot, but I did take a little dip in the water and cooled off a little bit, and I brought my book and just kind of enjoyed the sunshine. So I did that, and then I came home and I read a little bit of my new book. It's called Crushing It, and I'm really enjoying it so far. So I kind of made myself a little bit of coffee, made myself some lunch. I had salmon tacos that were just so good, and then I just got back from the gym. So obviously after having a good workout, I was disgusting and needed it to wash my hair and do kind of my whole beauty regimen. So my hair care routine is up on my channel. Definitely go check that out. But I did want to mention while I'm doing my skincare routine right now, I'm obsessed with putting bio oil on like little scars that I have on my face. I have 2 right now, which were from pimples that should not have been there, but we're trying to get rid of them. I had a really bad, like I'd say 2nd-degree burn on my stomach long time ago. This was probably 3 years ago. A friend of mine spilled a boiling pot of water on my stomach. It was really rough. Like it took about a year to recover, but applying bio oil every day, I saw a huge difference. I also have a curling iron burn on my wrist. Oh, there it is. That I'm trying to get rid of as well. So make sure if you have some like scars or problem areas, discoloration, bio oil is a really nice oil to apply after you shower. So I'm just gonna relax the rest of the night. I have some spaghetti squash in the oven. I'm gonna put that with some roasted kale and garlic and some tomato, and kind of just enjoy the rest of my Monday. So I hope you guys had a productive Monday as well. It's always a good start of the week. You make sure you set the tone for the remainder of the week. So get those goals written down and let's crush them. For breakfast, I made some overnight oats. So I had an old peanut butter jar that kind of was all finished, and I just scraped up the bottoms and put my oats with chia seeds, hemp seeds, and almond milk, and I let that sit overnight. And then I, of course, topped it with berries. The main factor of this clip is coffee, and it's this coffee creamer by Khalifa Farms. It's a dairy-free almond milk creamer, and it's the vanilla flavored, and oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. Brittany is the one who turned me on to it. If I can open it. Things are so hard to do with one hand. Like, you take for granted how great 2 hands are. But this stuff is amazing. Like 10 out of 10 would recommend. You do need a decent amount, as you do with any almond milk, but this stuff is just the right amount of sweet. I'm obsessed. Definitely try it if you can. It's a little expensive, but I'd say it's well worth it. I just filmed my summer like beauty essentials or summer beauty favorites, and now I'm confused because I don't know what to do. I have a full face of makeup on, and I was actually gonna go meet a girlfriend of mine for dinner, but we decided to move that till tomorrow because I have to be up early for a shoot. So now I'm like, do I take my makeup off? Do I like find an excuse to leave the house, but then leaving the house requires spending money, and I just don't like spending money for no reason. So now I'm just like not sure what to do with myself. If I had to guess, I'm probably gonna take my makeup off though, because it's just like, why suffocate the skin if I don't have to? But at the same time, I look good. I don't know, let me know if other YouTubers struggle with that, because I feel like when you work for yourself, you kind of spend a lot of the time at the house, and it's like I just don't wear makeup if I'm inside of the house. So I don't know, thoughts? Let me know what your opinions are on that. I'm making some homemade granola, and these are the ingredients that I used. I just have some hemp seeds, oats, chia seeds. I used some like raisin and cranberry blend, coconut oil, honey, coconut chips, and then I also put cinnamon on it. So I'm gonna bake this for about 30 minutes at 350. Hey guys, it's Wednesday and I'm on set with Seth from Spectrum Innovations as well as Jenna. They are the dream team and we are shooting for MVMT. This watch is actually a little big on me. I need to get a link taken out, but we are in actually one of Seth's boss's garage, and he has a plethora of not only vintage cars, but modern cars as well. This is the modern garage. We were already just in the vintage garage. You guys are gonna see the clips, but it is blazing in Florida. Like, I'm sweating. What is underneath this hat is just pure sweat. So we're trying to nail some good shots, get some good content, and kind of create a vision of not only what we think MVMT stands for, but kind of bring some spectrum innovation and spectrum luxury and Kiss and Makeup / Taylor Lane into the mix. So definitely follow me on Instagram, follow Seth on Instagram as well, and you will get to see what the final shots look like. So we're gonna finish up here, get some cool content, and I will check in with you guys later.
Summer days waste away, caught up in an old phase.
I went to Trader Joe's and then I also have a package from Amazon, so I figured let me haul you what I purchased. At the moment, I am loving the Vega Protein Greens. This is the chocolate flavor. I don't know why I have been drawn to chocolate, but I purchased that. And I'm so stoked about this. Like, this is what adulting is. Getting excited over a lemon squeezer, which is perfect because I just bought some lemons and I'm gonna make hot lemon water. I already took off the packaging for that because I was like, oh, this is important if I haul it. I also got okay, I was confused. I got two PB2s. This is powdered peanut butter. I love peanut butter, but I use it frequently, and it is pretty fatty, whereas the macros on this, it's 1.5 grams of fat versus 11 for like a tablespoon or whatever the serving size is. This is dramatically healthier for you if you're trying to cut back fat. So I'm excited to try that to put in my shake. This is my life, is dropping things. I'm just happy that didn't break. And then I also got two bikinis, which I'm gonna do a bikini try on haul. So I'm not gonna try those on for you, but I have a yellow bikini and a gray bikini. So you'll have to see those when I try them on. So that's it for Amazon. And let me show you my groceries. So I got Ezekiel bread. One of my favorite kind of additions to eggs has been buttered toast with the everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. Amazing. I also picked up some blackberries, spinach, lemons. As I said, I can't wait to make lemon water, hummus. Woo, that was a good one. Edamame, tomatoes, a Greek yogurt, 2 protein bars. These are the Go Macro. I have the sunflower butter and chocolate, and then this is the peanut butter chocolate chip. That one's amazing. I picked up a red onion. My favorite, wow, these got soggy in this bag, but this is my favorite brand of veggie burgers. This is the Dr. Prager's. Again, the U emoji. And then a can of black beans. So I'm gonna make myself some shrimp tacos and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Hi guys, it is Thursday afternoon. It is almost 4 o'clock. I'm about to head down to Miami. Whispering Angel, which is a rosé company. I work with them frequently. They are launching a new rosé this evening, so we're having a launch party. So I'm technically working it. I'm not really sure if I'm attending it or if I have duties when I get there. I'm just gonna kind of see how it goes, but I figured I'd show you my outfit. They were kind of wanting us to wear like blush tones, obviously, because it's Whispering Angel, and then kind of like summer chic. So let me show you my outfit. My dress is from Dainty Hooligan. I've shown this in an Instagram post before. I love the kind of like scalloped waterfall detailing it has. It is strapless. My necklace is from Brady Melville. It's just kind of like a little diamond necklace. My purse is from Forever 21, and my shoes are like my Target shoes that I wear in black. These are from Lulu's. And then obviously kind of like the usual jewelry, watch, rings, bracelet, and diamond earrings. It is a Friday, which today it feels like a Saturday to me. I don't know. I feel like my days are all miscombobulated because work's kind of been all over the place. Last night was really fun. I did just kind of attend. We did go around with the rosé bottles and kind of like top everyone off, but for the most part, we were kind of there just as the brand ambassadors. Because like I mentioned in the previous clip, I've worked with Whispering Angel multiple times. I've gone to many of their parties, and this one was really pretty. It was hosted at the Fountain Blue, and it was for their new version of the rosé, the Palm. Beautiful bottle. But I got home sort of late and I woke up early. I just cannot sleep in anymore. So I woke up and now I'm at my job for today. I'm also doing a liquor sampling by the pool. I'm at a beautiful hotel in Fort Lauderdale. So I'm actually pretty tired. Kind of was in like a weird mood this morning, meh, you know, things, whatever. And I feel like when I am tired, I'm definitely more emotional than I would be had I had slept well. So I'm just kind of like trying to slowly pull myself out of this kind of like, that I was in. But it's Friday, it's a new day, it's beautiful outside. We'll see how long that lasts. But I figured I would check in with you. I'm gonna bring my camera, so I'll show you a little clip of what the pool looks like and what my setup is for this afternoon's promo.
Now and then it comes in waves. I see your face in a new place. Used to be you and me.
Another day, another dollar. It is Saturday and I'm also heading down to Miami again. It's National Rosé Day, so hashtag rosé all day. And that's exactly what we're doing at the Fontainebleau today. We're gonna go around the pool and just serve guests rosé. So I'm doing that from noon to 5 and then I'm bartending a private party on Star Island. So that'll be really fun too. So I am completely booked today, literally working from noon till 2 in the morning. So it's a busy one, but I gotta take advantage of these bookings because work is a little slow right now. If you guys are kind of in the industry and especially live like in the South Florida area, a lot of people that live in South Florida go to New York or they just go away for the summer. So summer is kind of crickets down here. So I'm trying to take advantage while I can, get that money in because my direct deposit is looking dry AF and that does not work for me. So I'm gonna go get myself some coffee because I need to be caffeinated today and then I'm gonna make my way down south.
Tight ropes and lightning. Things are strange, people change, different thoughts on the same page. I'm on a wild, wild ride in the prime of my life. I'm on a wild, wild ride. I'm on a wild, wild ride and I'm taking my time. I'm on a wild...
We are about to get real. I am a little early to my next event. I've kind of just been stalling for the past 2 hours from job to job because I'm in Miami and my next job didn't start till 8. So guess what I am about to do in my car? Water for some precautionary measures. And this, my friends, is just sometimes what you gotta do. And then you just kind of wipe your mouth as if you didn't just do that and take another sip of water and you are just ready and freshened up. Let's take on the next job.
I'm gonna love like I am free, I am free, I am free. I'm gonna love like I don't know pain, don't know pain, don't know pain.
Hi guys, and a very tired Sunday on my behalf. It is noon and I just made myself breakfast, my spread. I'm obsessed with buttered toast and the everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. Amazing. But last night was really fun. The party was a very nice turnout. I didn't get home till about 2:30 maybe. And then Carly's grandma unfortunately is not doing very well in West Virginia, so Carly flew out this morning. So I took her to the airport at 6:15. So I didn't get much sleep. I came home and I slept till about 10. So I'm just kind of tired today. I'm just gonna relax, go to the grocery store, clean up my house a bit, you know, the usual Sunday routine, and kind of get myself prepared for the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog because I'm gonna end it here. Nothing exciting. I have friends trying to drag me to do exciting things today, but this is where you'll find me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below with what you like seeing about my vlogs, what you wish I would incorporate more onto my channel, so I could keep that in mind for future uploads. And until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.